Today we're going to learn about logarithms. If you know exponents, then it's very easy to understand logarithms because logarithms are nothing but inverse operations of exponents. Okay, what does that mean? Let me show that with an example. Let's take 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to 8. So how do we write this as logarithms? You can write this as log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. So you see that logarithm is nothing but another way of writing the exponential function. So here 2 is called the base. Even in logarithm, this is called the base. And this is the power, and this will be the result of the logarithmic function. The power will be the answer of this logarithmic function, and this is here the result of the exponent, but here this is called an argument. Okay, so as I said, logarithm is another way of writing the exponents, or it's also called as inverse of exponential functions. So let's take another example. 5 square is equal to 25. So this we can write it as log 25 to the base 5 is equal to 2. This means that 5 raised to the power 2 is equal to 25. 5 square is equal to 25. That's all. Very simple. Okay. So let's figure out how to write exponents in the form of logarithms. So here I have given few exponents. 3 square is equal to 9. How do you write it as logarithms? You can write this as log 9 to the base 3 is equal to 2. Okay, this means that 3 raised to the power 2 will give you 9. Similarly, 5 cube is equal to 125. Log 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. This is saying 5 raised to the power 3 will give you 125. Again, log 10,000 to the base 4 is equal to 4. Sorry, base 10 is equal to 4. Okay, so this is how we write exponents as logarithms. Now let's find the value of x. So this is nothing but the result or the answer for this logarithmic function. So can we write this as exponent? Yes, we can. We can write this as 4 to the power x is equal to 16, or you know that 4 square is equal to 16. If we can write this as log 16, can we write it as 4 square? Yes, 4 square to the base 4 is equal to 2. The power to which the base has to be raised to get this answer is 2. Okay, and this one, log 81 to the base 3 is equal to x. This can be written as 3 to the power x is equal to 81. So 81, if you know 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, 27 into 3 is 81. So it's 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. Okay, so let's write 81 as 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 to the base 3 is equal to, can you say what is the answer to this? Yes, it's 4. So the reason I wrote it this way is because I want to tell you one simple rule. If you have log x to the base x to the power n to the base x, the answer to this logarithm is n, because x to the power n is equal to x to the power n. This is x to the power n is equal to x to the power n. So that's why I wrote it like this. You can just say log 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4 as well. Okay, let's learn about commonly used logarithms. So if you see in a calculator, you have two buttons which says log and ln, but how do you know what base it is to? So when you say log 20, you can easily find the value of log 20 in calculator, but what is the base of log 20? It is nothing but log 20 to the base 10. So when they don't mention the base and they just say log of some number, it is assumed that it is to the base 10, because log 10 is very commonly used in the real world. So we have all that on the calculator, and we don't really explicitly mention that it is to the base 10. Okay. And there's one more thing called natural logarithm. When you say natural logarithm of 20, this means this is log 20 to the base e. Okay. What is e here? E is nothing but some constant. You know, pi is a constant which is equal to approximately equal to 3.14. E is also a constant like that, which is equal to 2.718. So this is the natural logarithm. So whenever you see ln, it means that it is to the base e. So normally log to the base 10 and natural logarithm, which is to the base e, is commonly used. Okay, let's solve few more problems. What is the value of log 1000? Okay, we can write log 1000 as log 10 cubed to the base 10, right? Because we have not specified the base, it means it is to the base 10, and answer is 3. Let's do log 10. What is log 10? It's nothing but log 10 to the power 1 to the base 10. You know, 10 to the power 1 is nothing but 10. So this is equal to 1, because 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10 to the power 1. Okay, next one. Let's do log root 10. Okay, what is root 10 in terms of 10 to the power? It's 10 to the power half. So log 10 to the power half to the base 10 is equal to half. Okay, so let's do one more. Log 100 into root 10. How do you do it? We can write it as log 10 square into 10 to the power half. Right? What is 10 square into 10 to the power half? It's nothing but 10 into 2, 10 to the power 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. So this is equal to log 10 to the power 5 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. So this is very simple. Like, even without using a calculator, you can find the logs of these numbers. Let's do few more examples with variables. Let me erase this. And okay, what is log 10 to the power x? Can you guess what is the value of this? It just means log 10 to the power x to the base 10 is equal to x, right? So let's use a different base. Log 1 by x square to the base x. What is the value? So can we write 1 by x square as x to the power something? We can write it as x to the power minus 2. So this will become log x to the power minus 2 to the base x. Can you guess the answer? So we have the same argument and the base, so answer is minus 2. Okay, similarly, can you try this answer by yourself? Log 1 by root a to the base a. And I want you to find the answer by yourself. I'll not work this out. Okay, I hope you got the correct answer. So today we have learned the basics of logarithm and also learned how to express exponents in terms of logarithms. In the next video, I'll be talking about the laws of logarithm. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe.